Plastic bottles, beverage bottles. Plastic bottles crusher. Crusher is crushing plastic bottles into different sizes of granules 3到8毫米。Wanrooe crusher machine is designed as tangential feeding so that feeding and swallowing more outstanding. At the same time, the feed port has a plastic cover curtain. Avoid the problem of material jumping easily by the ordinary crusher machine. Crushed plastic bottles can be recycled for reproduction of plastic products. This machine can help reduce the volume of waste, greatly save costs and resources. There is no any pollution discharge.